Get off my counter. Well, hello and howdy, howdy. Howdy, hey, and everything like that. I hope you're having a good day. Welcome back to another episode of Hands On BLG. I am BLG. I am Lefty, and I am Righty. Today, just out of spite, I've got leftovers. Let's see what we can do with leftovers, yeah? Will it be good? I couldn't tell you. I want to see if we can make a casserole, an old school casserole. Got the oven right there. 350 Fahrenheit. Done. Oven. That's that one down here. Okay? See what we can do. Yeah. What? Kind of might need a knife or something. Okay. You may or may not, if you're our age, remember this little casserole dish thing, right? You know where this came from? How old are you? This is your test. Tell me where this came from. I'll reveal the answer at the end of the show. Alright? So, what we got, I've got a little bit of leftover mashed potatoes. I've got a little bit of leftover Salisbury steak and gravy. I just opened the can of corn I'm not going to use all of, okay? What the fuck is that on me? Get off of me, you motherfucker! Get off my finger! What the fuck is that? Okay. Never mind the packet. I'm safe. I didn't get bitten or anything. I think it's gone. So anyway, I got some breadcrumbs. Remember the homemade breadcrumbs from way back in the day? Got some. Here's what I'm going to try. I'm going to take these 2 Salisbury steaks out of one of those store-bought ones. Oh shit! I'm going to throw them all over the counter. And I'm going to scrape out what I can of the gravy. Right? Right here. Up in this bowl. I'm just going to try to make my supper better. It's either throw it away or choke it down. BLG prefers to figure out how to choke it down. I don't like wasting this food. I don't know why, but that's what happens. Get the fuck over here in my hand. Okay. Here we go. Alright, so I'm going to take this. I'm going to chop it up. I'm going to chop it up in little bite-sized pieces, okay? Just going to chop it up like this here. Choppy. Right? Just going to chop it up. Kind of small. Don't need a big casserole pan because I'm not making anything much. I'm just trying to eat this because I want to cook. And I can't cook until I finish this stuff. Or pitch it out. It might suck ass. I don't know. But I'm going to put this in here like this. Chop it up. Chop it all up nice and fine. Look at that. 2 at a time. 2 at a time. Skills. I got skills like there ain't no fucking tomorrow when it comes to chefing. I can cook. May not believe it from what I'm cooking. And I might not either. It just depends on what I'm cooking. This, I'm just off on the wing. I don't know what the hell's going on here. But I'm going to do this, okay? Just try to make it a little bit more pleasing. A little bit more something, anyway. I was going to put cheese on it. Decided not to. And here we go. Let's just chop that up, right? Smooth it out. Smooth it out. I don't have enough potatoes, I don't think. So I got some potatoes here. I don't know. We'll see. But I don't think I got enough to smear over the top. We'll take a look. I don't know. Ooh, shit. Okay, everybody gets in. Everybody in. I don't know. I'm just going to kind of smush this around a little bit here. Maybe mix this up. Ooh, I could do that. Get in there. I need every bit I can. Let's just mix this up here. Right? You can see that. I'm just going to mix the taters with Salisbury steak, just like I do when I eat it anyway. Dip and eat. And gravy and stuff. Let's do this. Oh, yeah. You know what? I think this is going to be alright. So, smooth this out, right? Smooth it out. Smooth it out like this here. Just like this here. Smooth it out. A little bit of casserole kind of style. I don't know. This is something fun to do. when you got leftovers you don't know what to do with, and try to think of something else to do with it. There we go. Alright. I think that's going to be alright. Pat it down flat. Yes, okay. Get away from me. Now, I'm going to take these... No, I'm not. I'm going to get a spoon. Yeah, and I'm going to take some... Get off of me. That didn't set up very well. This is kind of on the fly. Get some... Ow! Get some corn, right? I'm going to sprinkle some corn over the top here. Like this. I got an idea for tomorrow that I'm going to use the rest of the corn for. So don't worry about it. Just don't worry about it. I'm just going to use this as a filler. You see, you fill it a little bit and you get one good dinner out of it, right? Take an old dinner and get a new dinner. I think. One more. There we go. Like that. Okay? I'm going to smack that down in here like that. You, my good corn friend, are going to go back in the fridge. And you're going to wait till tomorrow. Now, since I'm trying to make like a casserole-y thingy, which I don't know if it's going to work or not, you go in here. You go in here. I want to take me some breadcrumbs, okay? BLG's homemade bread, homemade breadcrumbs. Yeah, they're good. Keep them in the freezer. I'm going to put some of these up in here like this. Alright? You drink enough beers, it'll be good. We'll see. I don't know. So I'm going to sprinkle these up in here. And what's cool, it's all already cooked. It's all already cooked. So you smack this around up in here. Some breadcrumbage. Get it all covered up. Looking good. Looking good. One more over here in the corner. That uses up the rest of the breadcrumbs. That's awesome. Now I got breadcrumbs in my fingers and that feels weird. So I'm going to wash my fingers. Look at this mess I made. Beers do work though, by the way. Look at this mess. It's all over the place. That's easy to clean up. Now what we're going to do is take this here little casserole thingy, little casserole plate thingy, and we're going to pop it in the oven at 350 degrees. Right? Center rack. I don't know how long. It's just got to warm through. So I'm going to give it, let's go 7 minutes. 7 minutes on the cooking timer. Look. 6:58. 6 something. Yeah, there we go. So I'm going to clean this. Where are you? I'm going to clean this mess up. And we're going to go from there. Oh, if it does suck, yes, I do have food. I got M&M cookies. And I got M&M's. Candy machine. Yes. No, I won't eat just to that. I can make a peanut butter sandwich or something if I'm starving. We'll see if this comes out. I'll see you in 6 minutes and 27 seconds. We'll see you back here when that comes out and comes back over here and I have this mess cleaned up. We'll be right back, folks. Don't leave! And damn it, subscribe and like. We're getting subscribers slowly. Hit them like buttons. Share these videos in view. Love it, love it. See you in a few. Oh, are you there? Okay, clip that part out. Clip! Are you there, folks? We're back. Here's our little casserole. It's probably burning the crap out of the countertop because it's hot. Whatever I told you to start this off at, I added 4 more minutes. So whatever I said plus 4. There's a nice little leftover casserole thing with some breadcrumbs and stuff. I wanted to put some mozzarella cheese in it. I think it would have worked, but it had turned purple. Purple mozzarella cheese? No, thank you, please. That's the rule for mozzarella cheese. No, don't do that. But that's what we got. It's hot. Oh, God. Quit rhyming stuff, DLG. Let's see if it's any good. Oh God, that's going to be hot. So there's a little bit of mashed potatoes, a little bit of corn, a little bit of Salisbury steak from the store, and a little bit of breadcrumbs. Any good? I don't know. Probably going to burn my mouth off. Oh God, that's hot. Okay. Oh God, that's hot. Fuck me. Straight out of the oven. Alright. Well, I think the cheese would have helped to make it a little different. But that's going to be my supper. It tastes the same as having the regular meal, I'll tell you the truth. If you put Salisbury steak and mashed potatoes, smack the Salisbury steak on top of it, cut the Salisbury steak through the mashed potatoes to get a good dipping fork, right through the corn. The breadcrumbs are kind of a neat little bonus. It adds a little crunch. But there you have it. I couldn't tell you. It's going to work for my supper. So let's get to the bonus round. Bonus round! Ding, 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 ding! Fucking ding! Yeah! Ding! Let's get to the bonus round. Anybody remember where this little casserole came from? Anybody? I'll give you one more look. This little casserole. Right here. Not this. The casserole dish. Anybody remember it? It came from fucking Taco Bell when they first released the Taco Bell Enchilada. You'd buy an Enchilada. It would be half the size of this casserole, but you got to keep the casserole dish. And there you have it. History from BLG. I got this when I bought my first Enchilada. God. That was in the, oh fuck, I don't know, 80s? Maybe? I don't fucking know. But yeah, when they did a special release thing, remember how they used to do the themed glasses and cups and stuff? They did the casserole for the Enchilada, the little casserole dish you could get. That is that casserole dish from Taco Bell. Can't remember what year, can't tell you. I don't know. But it works. Little single serving. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. But anyways, it's hot in here. And, God, it's 4:31. Holy shit. I gotta get this shirt back off, this hat back off. I may sip another beer or two and go to fucking bed. And lay under that fucking fan and just sprawl the fuck out. I don't know. It's kind of boring here today. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. I got another idea that I want to maybe make tomorrow. Never tried it. I'm going to research today and give it a shot. So anyways, from old Hands On with BLG, for BLG, get down here where you can see me. I am BLG, I am lefty, and I am righty. And today, we made this. And you learned a little bit of history lesson about that little casserole dish. Yes, from Taco Bell, way back in the day. Way back in the day. I'm old. So anyways, we will see you guys back here next exciting episode. Hands On with BLG. Thank you for your subscriptions, love, and share the whole thing. And hit the like, hit the subscribe. They're all right there. Or if you're watching on TV, it's up there. The subscribe button's up there. So anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around.